You don't understand, sir. The site's not prepped. We have no choice. Figgy pudding.
It's never come to that. What about Timmy?
Hey.
Look at these little guys passing us by. What about Timmy? What about his Christmas?
I never meant this to happen.
Dude, you gonna go up that thing?
Get your shoes back on. You should take your socks off in the car.
Oh gosh.
Mickey, patch me through to the big guy.
The big guy.
Yeah.
Continue through.
How do I get out of this thing? So many kids.
Sir, there's a child here that's really excited for you. Do not let him down. I can't let you safely out of your land and there is time. Please, sir, let me do my job. I can't let Timmy down.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Am I good?
Light him up! Almost there, sir. We have a visual. The landing zone is coming in too hot. It's too late to pull up, man. It's too late to pull up. Keep it together, dancer.
Oh gosh. Holy crap. That took a lot out of it. Wow.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're up.
Yeah, you can get in. But weren't you over there earlier, out off of that, taking pictures of the scooter?
I can walk like a couple feet, but I can't walk hundreds of feet all day.
Okay.
These guys are tough.
Well, just try to be careful.
Always
because
prepare
we don't
for
have
those
motorized
naughty kids.
vehicles inside the park unless it's in a wheelchair.
Almost
Okay.
always.
So if you just try to keep it on the pathways, on the sidewalks through the park, that would be great.
Okay.
So there's one. It goes around the
I get a picture here? Okay. She said I can't ride it here.
Huh?
She said I can't ride it here.
She wants you on the pathways, I guess.
Why does it matter?
No. If those turtle doves aren't cleared off the runway, believe me, Dancer will swallow one on takeoff. Okay, Mr. Disselton, come on. T-minus 3 days. Think you can get it, baby.
How can you oblige, baby? I mean, indeed. Of course. Someone is being very naughty.
I've been really nice this year. I'll take it. So that was all the job.
Hey. Hey.
I got it. Wait! Hold back!
Gene, I'll be right back. Do not sell it.
Sorry to drag you boys away from your little shopping spree, but we have a situation. Mrs.
This is ridiculous. You can't get around without the path.
That last year, a true conduct calculator fell into the hands of a
Screw that lady.
child with a nefarious
Was that a real cop?
Jingle smells.
Was that a real cop?
Great Garland!
Using our stolen technology, the juvenile is attempting to ascertain the password to the Northern Nights database. And that is not allowed. On a personal note, I'd like to add that my superior intellect and I take
Got it.
umbrage.
Thanks, Mark. Nice. We almost there? So, that's what they got.
It's because she saw me get up to take a picture for 10 seconds. Well, now I don't want to get up to get one because she's probably watching me.
The big guy thinks you need a little more help.
Yeah, but you didn't walk very far, right?
I know, that's why I told her.
Wait, what? You mean a coal out?
He'll meet you at Christmas Carol.
She said electric wheelchairs only. That's the first time that's happened. Do you want one with me?
Thank you, sir.
Can I get a pic with you? Heck yeah.
Lady.
Hey, you know, that's gonna be.
Thank you.
Yeah, help with the.
Oh,
Hey, aren't you that Reptiland guy? Dwayne, is it?
It's Wayne.
Ready, guys?
And indeed I am.
Everybody! It's Dwayne from Reptiland!
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, I guess I'm here to say
guys.
I'm being prep on landing you guys, so. Yeah, I'll be leading this expedition once our so-called
Here, let me unclip this real quick.
thank you. Thank you. I wonder if that cop security saw me running on the inflatable. I don't know.
Sorry about the mess there, Carol. I got all excited. I just dropped some serious oil on my new Mototec. It's a turn up.
Here you go.
Here. Follow my lead. You're off. Go. Sprint. You see what I mean? No. Stop on this. Woke up the whole house.
No, wait! We're in the kill zone! Serpentine! Serpentine!
Stand down. Okay, buddy, let's bounce.
Wow, way to block it with your face! My turn!
I'm just looking at the fruitcake then. I got this.
Here, you want to take a picture of me? Sorry, I was talking about that copper security guard. I think that was a Roush Mustang, like a 2012. I couldn't really tell though. It sounded good. That Charger was sliding everywhere.